Good morning, first graders. Hey, I want to just first start off by saying I enjoyed listening to your stories last week. They were phenomenal. Keep up the good work. Keep working hard. So today for our read aloud, I have a little story for us. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be coming soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Can we scare him? Let's make sure we scare him. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, I think we got him that time. I think we got him. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my hic. Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Are you ready? 1, 2. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out of the water and get me so. And then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. You read that pretty nice, didn't you? My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you so very much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Could you have seen that coming? Ick. He knew he was going to get the hiccups again. Remember, you don't give anything spicy to a penguin. So the next penguin you see, make sure you don't feed him anything spicy. I hope you have a great day, guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. See ya.